The Western Ghats of India, also known as the Sahyadri Hills, are one of the world's most significant biodiversity hotspots. Stretching over 1,600 kilometers along the western coast of India, this mountain range traverses 6 states: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. The Western Ghats are recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site for their rich and unique biodiversity. The Western Ghats are home to a wide range of ecosystems, from tropical rainforests to montane grasslands. These ecosystems are critical for regulating the region's climate, especially the monsoon patterns that are essential for agriculture across peninsular India. The Western Ghats are also the origin of many major rivers like the Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri, supporting millions of people downstream. The Western Ghats host approximately 7,500 species of flowering plants, of which about 1,800 are endemic, meaning they are found nowhere else in the world. The forest types range from wet evergreen and moist deciduous forests to dry deciduous and thorny scrub forests in the lower regions. The shola forests, a type of tropical montane forest found at higher elevations, are particularly noteworthy for their unique plant life. Neelakurinji, Strobilanthes kunthiana. This plant, which flowers once every 12 years, turns vast areas of the Ghats a vibrant blue when in bloom. Malabar tamarind, Garcinia gumigutta, known for its medicinal properties. It is native to the region's rainforests. Hopia jacobi, a critically endangered tree species, is found in the moist forests of Karnataka. The fauna of the Western Ghats is equally remarkable, with a wide range of endemic and endangered species. The Western Ghats are home to about 139 species of mammals, with over 20 species being endemic. The region hosts iconic species such as Asian elephant, Elephas maximus. The Western Ghats support a significant population of these elephants, particularly in the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, Nilgiri Ta, Nilgiritragus hylocrius. This endemic mountain goat is found in the higher reaches of the Nilgiris and Annamalai Hills. Lion-tailed macaque, Macaca silenus, known for its striking mane. This primate is endemic to the rainforests of the Ghats and is considered endangered due to habitat loss. Indian leopard, Panthera pardus fusca, and Bengal tiger, Panthera tigris tigris. These apex predators also roam the Ghats, particularly in protected areas like the Periyar Tiger Reserve. The Western Ghats are an avian paradise, home to over 500 species of birds, with around 16 being endemic. Some notable bird species include Malabar grey hornbill, Ociceros griseus, endemic to the region's forests. This bird is easily recognizable by its large beak. Nilgiri wood pigeon, Columba elphinstonii. This endangered species is restricted to the evergreen forests. Great Indian hornbill, Buceros bicornis. Though not endemic, this bird is a key species in the region and plays a crucial role in seed dispersal. Amphibians and reptiles in the Western Ghats are extraordinarily diverse. Of the nearly 180 species of amphibians found here, over 80% are endemic. Some notable species include purple frog, Nasicabatrachus sahyadrensis, discovered only in 2003. This strange-looking amphibian is an example of the Ghats' hidden biodiversity. Malabar gliding frog, Rhacophorus malabaricus. This tree frog is known for its ability to glide between trees. King cobra, Archaeophagus hana. The world's longest venomous snake is found in the rainforests of the Ghats. The insect diversity of the Western Ghats is equally impressive, with an estimated 6,000 species of insects, many of which are endemic. Butterflies, especially, are abundant, with species like the Malabar banded peacock and Tamil yeoman being endemic to this region. The freshwater ecosystems of the Western Ghats are also rich in biodiversity, home to a number of fish species like the Malabar marsa. Despite its ecological significance, the biodiversity of the Western Ghats faces numerous threats. Deforestation for agriculture, urbanization, and infrastructure development has resulted in habitat loss and fragmentation, endangering both flora and fauna. Additionally, climate change poses a severe risk, especially to species that are adapted to narrow temperature and precipitation ranges. The Western Ghats are home to several protected areas, including national parks and wildlife sanctuaries like Silent Valley National Park, Bandipur National Park, and Annamalai Tiger Reserve. These protected areas play a vital role in conserving the region's biodiversity, though challenges such as poaching and human-wildlife conflict persist. The Western Ghats Ecology Expert Panel, WGEP, also known as the Gadgil Committee, and the Kasturirangan Committee, have recommended various measures for the conservation of the Western Ghats. These include creating ecologically sensitive areas, ESAs, promoting sustainable development, and involving local communities in conservation efforts. The Western Ghats are an irreplaceable treasure trove of biodiversity. Their unique flora and fauna, many of which are found nowhere else in the world, underscore the importance of conservation in this fragile region. With ongoing efforts to balance conservation and development, the hope remains that the rich biodiversity of the Western Ghats will be preserved for future generations.